Hey guys, Shane here, and I'm back with another video. Alright guys, so we're back on the road, and we just come from the casino. Steve here thinks that he's rich because he won $600 off the casino, you know. But anyway, we're coming across the Continental Divide. Is that it right there?
Yeah.
See if y'all can see it. There it is. This whole area. Why is it green? Does that stand for Mexico?
Ain't got nothing to do with it.
New Mexico.
Just the highway. Yeah, we're in New Mexico.
New Mexico. Alright, anyway guys, yeah, we just got from the hotel and we're back on the road, you know. Now we're heading to Vegas, right?
Yeah.
Heading to Vegas. I'll see you then. In the meantime, I'm Shane Justice, and I'll see you in another video.